How to activate BMO Debit Card. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for bmo.com. Once you're in the official site of BMO, click on Sign In at the very top. And then once again, click on Sign In. Wait for a while for it to load. You'll land on the page where you'll be able to log into your account. Enter your user ID and the password, and then click on Sign In at the bottom. Once you have been logged into your account, it will land you on this page. Now head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, head over to Manage Debit or ATM Card. Now simply choose Activate Your Card. Now in order to activate your card, you have to enter the security code. Well, it's a 3-digit card security code on the back of your new card. Enter the code and then click on Continue. If the security code is valid and correct, your debit card will be activated successfully, and then you'll be good to go. You can also set the PIN by tapping on Setup PIN. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.